Hello, 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 hello. Here we are. It is the 1st of April. And aside from all of the other good things that happened in this month, like Amy's birthday, um, we have our Project of 23 challenge announcement. It's right here in this envelope. So I'm gonna open it up and we're gonna see. Please don't be a tag. Please don't be a tag. This one's too easy. Need you to make me some kind of ephemera, including bling. Some kind of ephemera with bling. The blingier, the better. Okay? Any kind of ephemera. This can be anything. This could be a paper clip. This could be a cluster. It could be a tag. It could be an envelope. It can be, excuse me, anything you want. Okay? Any piece of ephemera, anything you're going to put on your journal or add to a journal or add to whatever project you're doing that includes some bling. This is an easy one, guys. Okay? So let's get this one done. I'm telling you, they're going to be a little more challenging. I know they are because I know some of the topics that I put in here and they were more challenging. Um, this is just a random thing, it's the way that let the chips fall where they may kind of thing. Um, so that's it. That's the whole thing. Just make me some ephemera with some blingy. Lots of bling. I want bling, bling, bling. If anybody sends me any glitter in a happy mail or on a card or anything else, I will come and personally throttle you. But other than that, off you go. Till the next time, guys. Bye bye.
Where's man? I got your note.